Hey guys, this is a wig review on Wren from the Rene of Paris 2022 collection. So she's very new. She is a really long and luscious beachy waved wig, synthetic fibres with a medium density and a bang. So let's have a 360 of her. Now, this is all natural light coming in here. There's no artificial lighting at all because I really like to give you as close to natural look at the fibres and the colours as I possibly can. So let's have a little close-up of the colour, which is Mochaccino R. There's a lot of light brown, bit of medium brown, but there's quite a bit of light blonde fibres through there, making a really beautiful blend of colour. Close-up of the bang. Wren has a 4.25 inch bang. She is 15 inches from the crown and 17 inches from the nape down to the bottom, so she's a very long, luscious wig. Now Wren is showing a lot more shiny on camera than what she is off camera. But if when you get her home she's still looking a little bit shiny for you, you can pop on some dry shampoo and just take the edge off that shine. Now you can do a nice ear tuck with this as well. I've pulled out a little bit of my own hair around there, but I think that's a great look. Now I've just used a wide tooth comb to comb the fringe or the bang over to the other side. Everyone has a different preference as to where they like their bangs to go, but they do sit quite flat on your forehead, even though you can feather them out. And on the reviews that I looked, Kim from Let's Talk with Kim on her wig review of Wren had a really lovely section about how to treat these bangs to get them to sit up a bit on your forehead, which was really helpful. As you can see, these bangs are a bit long for me if I wanted to wear them combed down, so I may need to trim them and then those bangs would not be in your eyes. So for me, it's across to the side. Here she is, just in a pony at the back of the nape of her neck, just with a spring clip in there. Here's Wren in just a half up, half down do. As you can see, she does get a little bit messy quite quickly. So if that's something that's going to frustrate you, or you're a very active person, then possibly these fibres on Wren may not suit you. But if you're sitting at work, you're just going to and from work, sitting at your desk, then I think this could be quite a lovely wig. I will say though that she is a little bit difficult to fiddle around with putting in an updo because the hair is so long. So it'd be really helpful if you had somebody to help you with that, although you can do it by yourself. And here's a messy updo. Again, all I've done is twisted the fibres up together and I've put two clips in, one on each side of there, and then just pulled that down over the top. So here is the inside of Wren, just a standard machine made cap, nothing special with that. A section of a little bit of permatease at the top. It has a extended nape with some few little baby hair fibres on here, which is a great idea if you're wanting to put her up. They're just a few blended in around the bottom there. And she has the bra strap adjusters, little bit of a velvet top. She does have the ear stays here with some hair blended right in to the inside, which is also really great. And if you like this wig that I'm wearing, it is Arrow by Ellen Villa. It's a beautiful wig. and I have a full review on her on my channel, Julie's Wig World. If there's anything you'd like me to answer, put that down below as well, or anything that you might like me to film, then let me know. I'm really happy to help everyone on their wig journey. And if you're new to wigs, why not check out my series on Stop before you buy that first wig. Watch this, there's a lot of really great information on there for you. And YouTube will have a fantastic video for you here that has been selected just for you. Thanks for joining me on Julie's Wig World.